Hey, welcome to another episode of JL Johnny's Jeep Life. We're down here today at GTA Jeeps in Brampton, Ontario to get a whole bunch of parts for some modifications to the Maul Crawler. Stick with me. So this is GTA Jeeps. This is what their shop looks like. This is their address here, 8 Research Road in Brampton, Ontario, and there's the phone number. Definitely check these guys out. If you guys got a Jeep, you gotta come down here. It is absolutely amazing. Here's my Jeep full of stuff, which I'll go over in a second. And as you can see, there's all kinds of good stuff here. This is Neo's Jeep here. Take a look at this beast. Like, this thing's incredible. I'll send you a link at the bottom of this video, a link to his walk around for this video that shows you everything that he has installed on this Jeep. It's absolutely amazing. Now, let's go over what I picked up today. Starting off, we got these Rugged Ridge Elite taillight guards. They're gonna wrap right around my taillight, and you'll see that in an upcoming video. Next, I picked up a third brake light, the spare tire brake light. This is an awesome addition to the actual third brake light that is installed. This is a nice cover that I'm going to be putting over my aerial. It's an antenna base made by Rugged Ridge. Next, I got a Smitty built gas cover. I had to go with these new LED lights. With my Angry Eyes grill, I really needed some really aggressive looking headlights, and that's what these are here. So they're going to go in the same direction as the eyebrows for the Angry Eyes. Also needed these heavy-duty black hood latches. The other things that I got here is a Smitty heavy-duty tire carrier. You'll notice that my spare tire is not on here. It's a little bit too small of a carrier for my huge tires, so I had to get an upgrade for that. And then last but not least, we've got my Bushwhacker fenders and the Trail FX inner liners. Well, that's it for the parts down here at GTA Jeeps. Do hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and click subscribe and hit that little bell button if you haven't done so already, so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. Thanks for joining me here at JL Johnny's Jeep Life, and we'll see you again real soon. In the meantime, keep the rubber side down. Take care, everybody.